Hey guys, so I'm looking like Felicia right now, but we about to go from Felicia to Beyonce right quick. Okay. I have really loud birds in my neighborhood. So if you hear birds chirping, just appreciate nature. I'm gonna show you guys how I put in my extensions, my curly extensions. I mean, people have been asking me from forever ago, and my hair extensions are from Heat Free Hair and Mercy's hair extensions. So I have a mixture of 22 inches and 18 inches, and I kind of separate them by number of clips, and that kind of determines where the extension will go in my head. I separate the back half right here, and I do about 4 down, and then I take the middle section of my head, and I do 2 twists going down to the side. And then for the front half, I take about 2 as well and go down. So this part is the main part that will be left out, and then the one from here will be left out also to blend. That just kind of gives me more blending power, and it could make I can style it a little differently. I can do it pulled back, I could do it put up in a bun. It's a little easier for me to work with. So these extensions are 3B, 3C. My hair texture is 3C, 4A, so it's pretty close. My 4A is usually mostly in the back, so these really kind of look just like my hair. It's kind of creepy sometimes. I'm gonna take a clip with 2, and this is a long one, so I'm just gonna put it in the back. So what I like to do is I like to find the space, and I slept on these on my twists, so it's kind of loose, which I like because the clip can easily just fit into my hair and not irritate my head. So I just clip it in, and find space, and then clip it in. It's better to clip in the spaces because it won't irritate your head as much, and it won't be as hard to clip down. Like, I find that when I put it in the actual twist, it's like hard and it won't lay down. One with 3 clips, and I'm gonna go above that one, and I kind of leave about this much space in between each row that I clip. And this one, it goes around here. It's bigger. And I'm going to take one with 4. I'm going to leave this one out of the 2 that I twisted, so these will be hidden basically, and we're leaving these 2 out. So as you can see, these are the 2 that are going to be left out, and it's like right on it, so when I blend it, it'll go directly on top of the track. So yeah. So I just take the hair, my hair, and I gather it with this part, and then I just kind of create a 2-strand twist. And when I get to the bottom, bro, I don't know what's my hair and what's not. Okay, when I get to the bottom, I take the curl part and I just wrap it around. And voila. And that ensures that my hair is definitely attached to the extension. Yeah, to the extensions. Alright, so this is my hair. This is an extension going around. The wheels on the bus go round. And then I take the end. And then I just do it like that. And it's blended. This is what I usually do. I just take what I just took out and I just bobby pin it right there, and then it looks cohesive. I blend right here, of course, but just take the bobby pins and I have a cute little style. However, today is the day that I do a top bun. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm already late to where I have to go, but I guess that's just what I do. I'm always late. My cousin was like, "You're not Kate the Great, you're Kate the Late." I was just like, I can't even. You right though. So here we go. I take. Let's see here. I don't even know if I want to do this, to be honest. I'm gonna do it. So I take all that was on top and I'm going to spray it with some water. I just brush it back, kind of like that. And I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel just to make it look smooth. Ugh, gross. It looks like a big glob. Take a brush and brush it up. Yo, so I don't have in my contacts. I can't see. So if I'm doing anything and you guys are like, "Girl, you need help," that's why. So don't judge me. Alright, so I'm gonna take a hairband and I'm going farther to the back, a little farther to the back, so I could have more kind of, not hang time, but like I could have a bigger bun. So I'm gonna take a shorter one, an 18-inch, and this one has 4 clips. Ideally, so I'm gonna go right under the ponytail and clip it in. There we go. So we're gonna take the front, kind of put it in the back, take the hair and roll it around. What I do, you can take a hairband and put it around it, but I'm gonna take bobby pins just to kind of secure it more securely. Now what I like to do to make it look a lot more cohesive, I like to take my spray bottle and just spray it. That kind of revives the extensions, makes them look a little more alive, a little more shiny as well. And you could also use like a hairspray, like a shine spray, to make it look more vibrant, I guess you could say, not as dull. I look up like this, I look up like this, we flawless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed already, like, why? I don't understand. You should just press the button. It's not that hard. Like, just press the button. Click it. Just click. And we gonna be cool. Okay? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.